Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, I've literally lost my mind. Day 50, I don't know, 500 of quarantine right now. But I am filming a video today of me doing a home waxing kit. I went to Target and I was able to find this Bliss waxing kit. It was the only thing that I could find at Target that I could find right now today. So I am going to attempt to do this. I will let you guys know. I mean, it's gonna hurt, but I mean, we just gonna see how far I can get. So enjoy. I know you're gonna laugh. I'm gonna laugh. But I'm gonna just laugh at my pain because I'm gonna be in pain too. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have to put this in the microwave for 30-second intervals until the wax is like honey. The consistency of honey.
That's funny.
Up to like 5 times. It may be warm to touch, so always remove from the microwave using a handle. Hot wax can burn. Okay, so I have to put this in the microwave. Oh, look, then it says, before you begin, use a spatula to test the wax temperature on the inside of your wrist. Wax should be spreading consistently but not uncomfortably hot. Cleanse the area to be waxed with lukewarm water or a damp towel and blot area dry. Then massage a few dry spots of pre and post waxing oil. That's what this is. I'm scared. But don't wait too long, wax may crack. Press down on the entire patch and ensure a uniform removal. Then hold the skin tight, grab the end and remove the wax in a brisk fashion against the direction of hair growth. After removing the wax, apply immediate pressure to the wax area. Oh my God! To dull any discomfort. If you need to wax the same area more than once, reapply post and pre-post, pre and post.
I'm not about this. I'm not about this life.
Troubleshooting? There's troubleshooting for home waxing kits? What? So this is what it looks like. And this is the oil, and this is the spatula that they give you. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds until it becomes like a honey consistency. So, all right. Go. 30-second intervals.
Stacia, I swear to God. Stacia. No, that is not. Okay, cut. Stacia, that's not. Stacia. Stacia.
So I'm gonna take some like this. And I'm gonna put it on just a small area. Oh my God. Put it there. Okay. All right. So, gonna let it dry. When I say I want to do like stuff like this, don't let me do this. Don't let me wax at home.
Oh my God.
Do I do it against there? Or with there?
You're not ripping it. That's not a rip. That's not a rip.
Yeah, it's a rip.
It's not that shit was not a rip.
Oh my God, I can't do this.
That's still not a rip.
Oh my God, I can't do it. Oh my God. Yo! There's no way I can do this. There's no way. This hurts way too much. There's no way. there's no way. There's no way I can do this. I can't.
So you're doing more? Oh my God. Why? Oh my God.
Just one more. One more, that's
But you're not ripping it. You're taking it like little by little. Hey, you're a waxer. You know what it is.
Shoot, my lace front is like
Slipping?
It's falling forward. Girl. Okay, do I do it against there or with?
No, you're supposed to do it against.
Oh, I
No,
can't.
you're supposed to pull like at one. No, you ain't pulling. That ain't pulling.
Ow.
No, you're supposed to be. You're supposed to pull.
Ow! Ow! I cannot do this. Yeah, that's it for me. I did 2 little like areas. Yeah, no. It's all red. Yeah, no. I'm good. I'm good. I ain't going to no beach. I ain't doing no home wax. Yeah, I'm good. I am so good. My area is all red. Oh my God. Yo, this hurts. This hurts. Who would have... Why? Why? No. No. I can't do this. I can't do this. So, I attempted to do this home waxing kit, and there's no way. There's no way I can pull this wax off myself without killing myself in the process. There's just no way. No way. Sorry guys, I'm not built for it. It hurts way too much. I just cannot. It's just way too much. I have to wait until I can get it professionally done. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got a laugh. Because I can't wax. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.